It all started with the weak Van der Waals force of attraction, and now that Van der Waals force of attraction has vanished into a thin ether, and this strange but beautiful electrostatic force of attraction is pulling me towards you. It's not love phobia which I'm suffering from. It's something that I can call as love philic. You are like an inert element in the periodic table who doesn't expect or wish for any bond formation. After all, self love is what you believe in. I'm here just like a hydrogen who is assuming you to be a carbon, hoping for us to lower our energy and form the covalent bond, and obviously the stable molecule, so that this relationship can be known as hydrocarbon. How can I forget that you are like an inert element and not a carbon? Hence, I'm here dreaming to turn into fluorine so that I can at least get a rare chance to create a bond between us. Just like the aspirin, which lower fever and relieves pain, you are the drug of my life, who has the power to induce happiness and courage. Oxygen is essential for the process of respiration, and you are essential for me to maintain a healthy living. After all, it's your words which bring hope in my life, and without you, this life may turn hopeless. You acted like an inhibitor to vanish every problem of mine and help me to maintain the state of equilibrium. You play the role of catalyst to make me better than yesterday. Yeah, mass remains constant in an ordinary chemical change. But when I be around you, you make my happiness constant. If I'm an acid, then you are like the base. We are completely opposite in behavior. Maybe that's the reason why I get attracted towards you. But sadly, we can't be one. Or maybe we can. But I promise, even though being an acid, I will always love your base. You are as beautiful as the color of strontium chloride. Every small part of chemistry makes me to imagine the relation between us. You are the one who made me to fall in love with the subject though. Fortunately or unfortunately, there is no chemistry between us, but yet you will always own this place in my heart.